Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 1 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 1 divided by 5? I don't know. So I am going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 1 over 5. And let's bring that 2 plus down, but let's bring that 2 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change the 2 plus 1 over 5. Notice that we're going to add two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method to help us. So we're going to draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. So I am drawing the first wing, 2 times 5. So we're multiplying, not adding. And that's a addition symbol. It looks like a multiplication symbol, but it's not. It's a plus sign. And 2 times 5 is, here's the antenna, 2 times 5 is 10, and here's the other wing, and here's the other antenna. So 1 times 1 is 1, and here's the body. 1 times 5 is 5, and so our denominator is 5, and then our numerator is 10 plus 1 equals 11. And this cannot be broken down further, so this is it, 11 over 5. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer to this math problem and the mixed number answer to this math problem. And we're going to use long division for that. So I am going to bring down this 5 divided by 2 as a fraction to make the math fun and easy. So 5 over 2, and we're multiplying 11 over 5. So 11 over 5. So we're going to multiply across. So what is 5 times 11? 55 over 2 times 5 is 10. And this is your improper fraction, but we need to break this down further. So we're going to divide it by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? Because 2 times 5 is 10. And then what gives me 55? So something times 5 gives me 55. 11. 11 times 5 is 55. So we write 11 there. And this cannot be broken down further. So this is your real answer, 11 over 2 as an improper fraction answer. And like I said earlier, we're going to use the long division to help us find the decimal answer to this math problem. So I am going to write this here to this side of the board. So it's 11 over 2, and then I'll write the mixed number answer here, and then the decimal answer here. So we're going to draw the long division symbol, and we're going to write this 11 inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 2 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So I'm going to use hot pink for this part of the math problem. So how many times can 2 fit into 11? 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 10. And then we subtract. 11 minus 10 is 1. So our mixed number answer is 5. That's the whole number. The remainder is 1. That goes above the fraction bar. And the 2 goes below the fraction bar. And I know you know the decimal answer to this, 5, 1 over 2. But let me just continue the long division so that way you know how to find the decimal to a math problem like this. So how many times can 2 fit into 1? You cannot, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So we add a decimal after the 11 and a decimal after the 5, and then we write a 0 here, and then we bring down the 0, give it to the 1, and the 1 becomes 10. And so how many times can 2 fit into 10? How many? 5 times. Good job. And 5 times 2 is 10. And then we subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So your decimal answer is 5.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe already, thank you so much for your support. And thank you all for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.